Okay, what I want to show you is just quickly how you put together a small holding device for the light sensor. Very simple. You start off with two longer pieces like that. What you're going to do is that I want to put the pieces like this that are parallel to the main support pieces. Okay? And that will make it easier to connect the color sensor. Then obviously I've taken the ultrasonic sensor off, and what I've done is that I've pulled out the wires. I pulled out the wires that were connected to the ultrasonic. Now, all I'm going to do is put the support pieces in. I'm going to put the support pieces in like this. And again, on the other side. Okay, so at this point now, we just have this coming out. All you have to do is take your ultrasonic sensor and bring up one of the screws through the sensor and come up through one of the holes in the support. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. All you need is a couple screws to support it. That's all you really need to do. I mean, it's not meant to give you an option. Okay, I've got one there, and I'll tighten it in a minute. I'm going to put another screw through here, bring it up through any of the holes that line up. Again, it doesn't have to be perfectly aligned, because remember, we're working with a unit that doesn't really have a forward and back. Now you notice that the contacts on the ultrasonic sensor are in the middle. You can see how they're in the middle. And we do that because it then gives you an opportunity, a place to connect the wires to here, to the Arduino. Now, if you're that close, it's okay. Obviously, I'd love it if you're a little closer, but with the, you're going to determine through the calibration program what your colors are going to be that you're identifying with the ultrasonic, with the color sensor. Okay, that's all you need to do to get this installed. Then on the website there is a connection sheet that tells you which, and if you look at this, you can see there are different connection points that you need to connect the wires on the other side. The VCC, there's a VCC on either side. You only have to put the VCC. VCC is the 5 volt. That goes to the 5 volt on the Arduino. This is the ground. The ground goes just to the ground to the Arduino. And then you just, through that ditto that's on the website, You're just going to connect the different connections to the Arduino and then run the calibration program.